The legend of the Steelpan Spirit. Once upon a time, in the vibrant island nation of Trinidad and Tobago, there lived a little boy named Jaden. Jaden was known throughout his village for his love of music and his ability to create beautiful melodies from anything he could find. One day, Jaden's grandfather told him about the Steelpan Spirit, a magical entity said to bring joy and unity to the people of the islands through music. The spirit was believed to live in the heart of the island and only appeared when the most beautiful music was played. Inspired by the story, Jaden decided to summon the Steelpan Spirit. He spent days crafting a steel pan from an old oil drum, learning to tune it and practicing his music. The villagers admired Jaden's determination and offered him their blessings. Finally, the day came when Jaden played his steel pan in the village square. He played a melody so beautiful and uplifting that the entire village stopped to listen. As the final notes rang out, a radiant light appeared, and the Steelpan Spirit emerged, dancing to the rhythm of Jaden's music. The spirit thanked Jaden for his beautiful music and granted him a wish. Jaden wished for happiness and unity for his village, and the spirit promised to make it so. From that day forward, whenever Jaden played his steel pan, the villagers would gather, dance, and celebrate together, just as Jaden had wished. And so, the legend of the Steelpan Spirit lived on, inspiring the children of the island to believe in the power of music, unity, and the beauty of their homeland.